Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Algorand Daily Update. A friend of mine asked, are we bullish or bearish? Let's see every detail. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription to get easy profits with an automated system and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get educational videos, become expert in the technical analysis, personal guidance, market updates, and many more benefits. You will find the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You will also find the link there for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's go now to see some very important stuff right there for Algorand. First of all, we will answer if we are bearish or bullish. We will make an introduction here, but we will talk more in the price analysis and on Algorand Bitcoin charts. Right now, as you can see, we are a little bit down from the 20-day EMA. Okay, we have gone down before as well here and we climbed back up. So being below the 20-day EMA, of course, isn't bearish. Okay, so we have some important support levels for the short midterm, the 1.97, and of course if we go down from the 1.97, then probably we are going to the 1.80. Okay, so the volume here is decreasing. You can see the moving average on Algorand is decreasing on the volume. We had some nice volume right here, but in overall it is decreasing from the last few days. Okay, so the MACD is dropping down. You can see on the 4-hour frame we have lower lows, lower highs, but the price remains a little bit stable. That shows that the altcoin has strength. Okay, when the MACD goes down like that but the price remains stable, then of course it shows that the altcoin has strength. Of course we had a correction, don't get me wrong there, but we remain pretty fine. We have some next targets, 2.90 and of course 3.16. We want to see whether we hit those targets or not. We will analyze them. Let's go to the 4-hour frame risk metrics. On the 4-hour frame, you can see we have an oversold situation on the stochastic RSI. The RSI is between 30 and 70, and the commodity channel index between -100 and 100. We are looking more the stochastic RSI on an impulsive wave. Okay. So what we are doing is looking more on the stochastic RSI. The only problem that we have nowadays with the technical analysis is that Bitcoin is unstable. Unlike the August, for example, that Bitcoin was going upwards, now it is unstable and it can go downwards, down from the 44,000 Tether USD support level anytime. Okay, so this is the only problem that we are experiencing right here. We are experiencing the problem of Bitcoin crashing down. So yes, we are good, we are still fine, but we have some important risk due to the fact that Bitcoin is now in a correction. Okay, so right now you can see that for now Algorand is not in a very scenario right here, and we have the stochastic RSI in an oversold situation. Pretty good stuff. Let's go to the daily frame. If we open the SSL hybrid, you will notice that we have a selling opportunity after a buying opportunity on 31st August. We have a selling opportunity here on 14th September. Okay, so we have a selling opportunity right here, and of course we want to see whether this will play out or not. I'm not sure why we had this selling opportunity right there. It doesn't seem like we are going all the way down. And if we see the stochastic RSI on the daily frame, then you will see that we are between 20 and 80, but we are going down. That's good. We want the stochastic RSI to be in an oversold situation. You can see that the car is smiling right here as we are going down into an oversold situation, because then we will have a very good chance of re-entering the Algorand, okay, of rebuying Algorand. So right here you can see that we have the RSI being in between 30 and 70, but most likely close to the 70. That is what happens when we have an impulsive wave. Everything good, everything fine. Commodity channel index now is between -100 and 100. We do not hold any overbought situation with those indexes. Okay, so let's go a little bit to Algorand Bitcoin chart because we want to stay there. Furthermore, you can see that the Algorand is correcting against Bitcoin, so it is underperforming against Bitcoin. We are in an oversold situation on the 4-hour frame, and are we still bullish for Algorand Bitcoin chart? Of course we are. Okay, so even if we go down from the 50-day EMA, we will still be bullish. Apart from that, we can identify some important support levels, and we will go from here to there. Okay, so you can see that we have some important support levels at the 0.4035. So if we lose that, if we lose this support level, okay, and we go down from the 50-day EMA, then this might be over. Okay, it is a very important support level, and if we go down from here and we just have a very strong resistance on the 50-day EMA, then things are pretty much over for Algorand. But for now, we do not hold any bearish scenario. Okay, we are not even bearish for the time being. Let's go for Algorand Bitcoin chart on the daily frame, and you can see that if I remove the drawings because we do not need them, we have the stochastic RSI not in an overbought but not in an oversold situation as well. The RSI just now goes a little bit beyond the 70, so we want it just to correct a little bit. You can see we had an extreme overbought situation. While we correct, the price Algorand against Bitcoin remains pretty nice. So this is a great fact right there. But of course, we should be careful on the daily frame for Algorand. And let's go on the weekly. On the weekly frame, we had a very high risk right here. You can see that on 1 week what we have done with Algorand, and of course that's the reason we are dropping a little bit down for now. I really hope that we can make a bounce back and we have another bullish candle right here, and of course go even higher than the previous high we had back on 10th August 2020. Okay, so let's go to Algorand in the USDT on the 4-hour frame. You can see that we have this price analysis. We are not bearish yet. We are not bearish. Okay, so we have the 1.96, a very strong support level. In case we drop down from the 50-day EMA, then we might be going to the 1.7876, and then we won't be even bearish. Okay, but going below the 1.78, and if we go there to 1.61, then we will start to think that we might be bearish there. Okay, so it is very important that we keep the 1.7876 in case we drop down. That is a bearish scenario. But another one bullish scenario right here is that we regain some strength here on the 4-hour frame because of the stochastic RSI being in an oversold situation, then go to the next price targets, which are the 2.93, 3.15, and of course we have the 3.51 near to the previous all-time high for Algorand. Okay, it is near to the previous all-time high, 3.44 according to the Tether US on the Binance, but it is around 3.50. Okay, so yes, can we go there? Let's hope that we can, because right now we are on an impulsive wave. Let's go to the 4-hour frame again, and you can see that now we have these next targets, the 2.92, 3.14. For now, the more chances are we go there, but we hold a very strong risk, and that is Bitcoin's chart. Okay, so right now you can see on the last 4-hour frames we went a little bit upwards, but at the same time we are not yet bullish. We are not even bearish on the midterm, but we are not bullish on the short term. Okay, so we should be a little bit careful, because if we get rejected and have another crash right here, then this won't be good. But for now we are pretty fine, because yesterday we had so crazy volume, so much selling pressure, but again buying pressure afterwards, and we closed above the 44,000 Tether USD. That was the bullish scenario right there that told us that yes, we can go now further upwards. It was a test like that we close above the 44,000 Tether USD. If we close, then we could go upwards, but at the same time we are not bullish yet, and this might not be the dip. We might be going downwards, and therefore Algorand might go down to the 1.78, but for no reason we can say that right now we are bearish for Algorand. Okay, we are not bearish. We can go to the next price targets, and even if we go to the 1.78, do not worry about that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will get easy profits, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.